With Excelify application, you can import really big CSV files into your Shopify store. Shopify limits the import of CSV to 15 megabytes. The Excelify app comes to the rescue. With it, you can import the same Shopify CSV file up to 2 gigabytes in size. You can also zip that CSV to make it smaller and upload the zip file. So how can you import CSV or zip file? Just open Excelify bulk import export update application. Scroll to the import section and upload your CSV file. Application will analyze the file and will show you how many products are found in this file. And then you just click import. At this point, you can close the browser and do anything else. The import will still be working. So import is completed. You can download import results file. But for now, let's just check that our 10 products are imported with images and all other data.